Dear student, in today's class, I am going to consider the another examples on the RH criteria. This is also important problem asked many times in the examination. So, how to go through the class notes. This is also very important problem. On this type of problem usually asked in the many times in the examination. So, now here also G of S is given and H of S given. The open loop transfer function of unity feedback system is given. Here the given GS is given, the open loop transfer function or feed forward transfer function. GS into HS is given here. Open loop transfer function means the product of GS into HS. So here HS value is unity. Therefore HS is equal to 1 now. Therefore GS into HS is equal to this. Open loop transfer function. GS is equal to K divided by S plus 2 into S plus 4 into S squared plus 6x plus 2s. And also HS is given is equal to unity. GS is given and also HS is given. Find out the range of values of K. We need to find out the range of values of K here, and also the frequency of sustained oscillation. For values of K, we need to find out the omega also. The frequency of sustained oscillation is denoted by the omega value. Therefore, the frequency of sustained, we need to calculate the K value and also the omega value. For what values of K the system oscillates, that we need to calculate. Now, GS is given, HS is given. First step is to find the characteristic equation. The standard characteristic equation. The standard characteristic equation of system. Any system is, what is the standard equation is 1 plus GS into HS is equal to 0. This is standard characteristic equation. Therefore, the 1 plus GS value is K into S plus 2 into S plus 4 into S square plus 6S plus 25. This is 25 into HS value is 1 no, therefore 0. Now if we simplify this, so then you will get the S cube plus, by simplification, cross multiplication, taking the LCM, yes, then you will get the S cube plus what is the S cube or S to the power of 4? No, S to the power of 4. The S to the power of 4 plus 12S cube plus 69 S square plus 198 S plus 200 plus K is equal to, this is the characteristic equation. If I know the GS value and HS value, you can easily calculate the characteristic equation. Therefore, the characteristic equation of the system is, right on the here, the characteristic equation of the system is x to the power of 4. S to the power of 4. The CE, the characteristic equation of system is S to the power of 4 plus 12S cube plus 69S plus 69S square plus 198S plus 200 plus K. Now this is the characteristic equation of the system. Now by using this equation, write down the root array or construct the root array. By using the characteristic equation of the system, find the root array. The root array is the root array of the system. The root array is, what is root array? x to the power of 4. First row is x to the power of 4. Second row is s2 row. Third row is s square row. S to the power of 1 row, s to the power of 0 row. Now this first row can be formed by utilizing the as powers of s is the 4 row. Therefore, the first row can be formed by even powers of s. So, therefore, the even powers of s is 1 no. Coefficient of this is 1 no. X to the power of 4 row, 69 no. And 200 plus k into 200 plus k. Now, similarly, second row elements are the 12 odd powers of SO and 198 O 0. Now, subsequent row element. Now, the other element can be the other element. Now, what will be the other element? The other element can be formed by multiplying 12 into this s to the power of square row element is equal to 12 into 69 minus 1 into 198 divided by 12. Now what will be the value? Then this is equal to 52.5. Now similarly, if I calculate this element, there's 12 into next element, that 12 into 200 plus k minus minus 0, 1 into 0 divided by this 12. This 12 gets cancelled. Therefore, here we need to write down 200 plus k. Now 200 k. Now similarly find out the this into this and this into minus this into this. Then it will give the what will be the value? Similarly, find the values of elements of the s to the power of 1 row element. And therefore, this can be find out by 52.5 into 198 minus so 12 into 200 plus k 200 plus k divided by 52.5. This is equal to 7,995 minus 12k divided by 52.5. Now this is the value 7,995 minus 12k divided by 52.5. Now this is 0. Therefore, the last element. Now this into this divided by this value is equal to 200 plus k. Same value. Therefore, because here this is equal to this value can be obtained by multiplying this into this minus this into this divided by this. Therefore, we will get the same value. Therefore, this s to the power of 0 is equal to 799.995 minus 12k minus 0, 52 minus 0, 0. 0 divided by 52.5. This into this 200 plus k. This divided by this same value, 7995 minus 212k divided by 52.50. Now this and this tends to cancel, remaining is 200 plus k. Now this is after forming the root array. For system to be stable, here after forming the root array, we need to verify the system stability. Now this is the root array. Once you find out the characteristic equation, find the root array. For system to be, this is the first column. Now first column. For system to be stable, for system to be stable, what will be the, for system to be stable, all the elements of the first column must be positive. Each term in the first column of the root array, first column of root array must be positive. For system to be stable, each term in the first column of the, now this is the first column, therefore for system to be stable, each column, each element in the first, for each system to be stable, each term in the first, this value must be greater than 0, this value must be greater than 0. Now 200, for system to be stable, this 200 plus k, the 200 k must be greater than 0. Therefore the k is equal to what? Therefore k is equal to the k value must be greater than, therefore the k is greater than minus 200. The system to be stable, each column, each element in the first column must be positive. Therefore, this value must be greater than 0. Similarly, this term value. Now, this value also must be greater than 0. Now, what will be the value? Therefore, this 79,000. For system to be stable, each term in the first column must be positive. Therefore, the 200 plus k must be greater than 0. Therefore, k must be greater than minus 200. And similarly, 799.95 minus 12k must be divided by 52.5 must be greater than 0. Therefore, the 799.5 minus 12k must be greater than 0. Therefore, 799.5 must be greater than 12k. Therefore, k value must be less than 666.25. Therefore, the k value must be 666. So 666.25. Therefore, the practical values of, hence the range of values of k, for system to be stable is, hence the range of values of k for system to be stable is, k value must be less than 666.25. The practical values k ranging from minus 200 to and 666.25 up to the system is stable. The practical value taken from 0 to 0 greater than 0. Therefore, instead of minus 200, you have taken 0. Now, this is the for system to be stable. What will be the range of values of K is? K is ranging between 0 to less than 666.25. Now, we need to find out the corresponding for these values of K. Need to find out the oscillating frequency. That we need to calculate it by generating the auxiliary equation. When K is equal to for this values of K is equal to 666.25. Need to find out the oscillating frequency omega, and therefore from when K is equal to 666.25, and then s to the power of 1 rho becomes 0. When K is equal to this value, K is equal to, if I substitute this value, this become 0th row, become 0 element row. Then the auxiliary equation, when the entire row element becomes 0, then the auxiliary equation is AS. The auxiliary equation AS is equal to what? AS is equal to, auxiliary equation is equal to, this is equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is 52.5 into S square plus 200 plus K. 200 plus K. Now this is the auxiliary equation. Now this equation. Now substitute K is equal to 0. Now this is the equation. Now when K is equal to 625, 52.5 S square plus 200 plus K value is 666.25. 666. Therefore, S is equal to S square is equal to minus 200 minus 666.25 divided by 52.5. Therefore, this is equal to minus 16.5. S square is equal to this. So, therefore, what will be the values of when S is equal to S square is equal to minus 16.5. S is equal to plus or minus square root of 16 minus 16.5. Therefore, S is equal to, now what will be the S? So, S is equal to plus or minus J 4.606. 4.06 Now this is equal to plus or minus J omega. Therefore, omega is equal to what? Omega is equal to 4.06. So now this is called as a frequency of omega is equal to 4.06 radians per second. Now this is the find the values of K, which will cause a frequency of sustained oscillation. The corresponding oscillating frequencies and K is equal to 666.25. Now this is the frequency of oscillation, the corresponding frequency corresponding to this K value. Now this is the way of finding the frequency of sustained oscillations and also the gain of the system. This is also a very important problem to go through the class notes, and also you have to frequently listen this video to understand regarding this particular concept. Thank you for listening.